Inside your head lies the most complex creation known to humanity. 86 billion neurons, trillions of connections, more than the stars in the Milky Way. This 3-pound organ defines everything you are. Your memories, your emotions, your choices, your dreams. It is not an accident nor a simple machine. It is a divine masterpiece, crafted with purpose. This is the story of the human brain. Hidden beneath the skull lies a masterpiece of the Creator's design, the human brain. 3 pounds of living tissue, yet it contains everything we are. At first glance, it may look like a single organ, but the brain is a landscape, divided into regions, each with its own role, each essential for life. Here at the front lies the frontal lobe. This is the command center. It's where decisions are made, where we plan, imagine, and control our impulses. Without it, morality, empathy, even civilization itself would not exist. Move upward and back, and we find the parietal lobe. This region builds our sense of space. It allows us to know where we are, to feel the world through touch, and to move with precision. To the sides rest the temporal lobes. They hold the keys to memory, to language, to music. Every song you love, every face you recognize, lives here. And at the back, the occipital lobe. It is our window to light and vision. Billions of signals from the eyes stream here every second, transforming patterns of photons into the world we see. Beneath all this lies the brainstem, ancient, primal. It controls heartbeat, breathing, the very rhythms of life. Without it, we would not last a single moment. And deeper still, the cerebellum, small but mighty. It fine-tunes our movements, our balance, our coordination. Every step, every dance, every simple act of reaching for a glass of water depends on it. This is the architecture of thought, the blueprint of human experience. A cathedral of billions of cells crafted by the Creator with perfect harmony. But knowing the parts is only the beginning. The true wonder lies in how they work together. At the core of every thought lies a single unit, the neuron. Each one is like a living wire stretching out in all directions, reaching to connect. When a neuron fires, electricity surges through its branches. At the tiny gap between neurons, the synapse, chemistry takes over. A burst of molecules carries the signal across, igniting the next cell in line. This dance of electricity and chemistry happens at unimaginable speed. A single thought may ripple through millions of neurons in a fraction of a second. And just as an orchestra creates harmony, the brain produces waves, slow, deep delta waves when we sleep, gentle theta waves as we drift into dreams, calm alpha waves when we relax, focused beta waves as we work and solve problems, and the rare, powerful gamma waves believed to underlie moments of insight. From these rhythms emerges the music of the mind, a symphony written by the Creator himself. Memory is the brain's gift of time. It allows us to step into the past and project ourselves into the future. Memories are not stored like files on a computer. They are patterns, woven into networks of neurons. Every time we recall a memory, we reconstruct it, reshaping it slightly. In truth, memory is fragile. It changes with us. But without it, there is no identity. You are, in many ways, the sum of your remembered experiences. And then there is imagination. The ability to take fragments of memory and combine them into something new. To see what has never been seen. To dream what has never been real. Above all, there is consciousness, the profound mystery of being aware. We can measure brain activity, track electrical patterns, even decode simple thoughts. But no machine, no equation has yet explained why we feel like ourselves. Why there is a me inside this organ of flesh. Consciousness is a gift from the Creator, the divine spark that makes us human. Not all brains are alike. Some reveal abilities so extraordinary they border on the miraculous. In rare cases, people with savant syndrome display incredible talents, calculating vast numbers instantly, or recreating entire cityscapes from memory. Others are born with astonishing musical or artistic gifts, their brains shaped in ways science still struggles to understand. The brain is also capable of remarkable recovery. This is called neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire itself, to adapt after injury, to learn and grow throughout life. With practice, meditation, and focus, the brain can strengthen connections, sharpen attention, and even change its physical structure. This is the true miracle of the human brain, its ability to transform, to heal, to rise beyond limits. A gift embedded in us by the Creator. For all we know, the journey has just begun. New technologies now let us watch the brain in real time, mapping its circuits with exquisite detail. Scientists are decoding thoughts, building brain-computer interfaces, and exploring ways to merge biology with artificial intelligence. The future may bring treatments for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, or perhaps even the ability to expand memory, to communicate directly from mind to mind, to preserve consciousness itself. But with these possibilities come profound questions. What does it mean to be human? If the mind can be copied, altered, or enhanced? Could unlocking the brain bring us closer to the very mystery of creation? The brain has carried us from caves to cities, from fire to space exploration. And still, it holds secrets beyond our reach. Perhaps the greatest discovery will not be out in the stars, but within the divine universe inside each of us. 3 pounds, 86 billion neurons, trillions of connections. This is the human brain, a living cosmos, a miracle of the Creator's design, and the story of who we are.